This is a review of Armata. Star. Scream. Here's I recommend you go back home now. Right this instant. I will do a replay of this video when you get back. And don't worry. I got some more to do. One I missed out doing a review on. That is Grimlock. I'm still gonna do a review though. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on Age of Extinction, Constructibots, Optimus, and I'm gonna do one on Skywarp, and I'm gonna do one on the 3-step Bumblebee from Robots in Disguise, and I'm gonna do one on, yeah, those are all of them. The other ones are Hero Smashers. Technically, I don't let you do reviews on Hero Smashers. Now, where is our monster screen? Sorry, y'all. Had to get down to grab something. His Starscream up here trying to dance. His missiles could go in here, right here. Just put them up and down. See? Up and down. His swords can close in. Sometimes I'm having this problem with them breaking. But I don't know if I'd rather not should make him look like my own Cybertronian Starscream jet form. Because I'm going to try to repaint him. And now for a comparison. I'm going to pause. And I am back. Sorry it took me so long. I had to get him out of all that buried stuff. And so far, there's only one difference about them. Starscream has his cockpit hanging down in front of him. Skywarp has his cockpit on his chest.
Who you talking to, boy?
Skywarp has his cockpit on his chest. And for some reason he is not showing up on my camera. Get into the light. Sorry his leg like that. Dang, Skywarp, you black. I'm just put this comparison to the side. Next review tomorrow is going to be on Skywarp. And I might do Grimlock on that same day. I might. And you better not go black. And for some reason, Starscream always likes to get vengeance on his master. For rotation, I'm gonna do a transformation after this. For rotation, his arms can do.
What?
His arms can go that far back.
You told me. Oh my God! You videotaped me. You is such a jerk.
I'll be right back.
Too lazy. I ain't even make out smooth.
Alright, then I'm back. And, sorry, talk to my grandma. Took to my grandma. Took my grandma.
For real.
Hey, yo, old lady. Sorry. Grandma. Grandma. He's already taking all that far back.
We got the dump
There goes knee goes up far.
Who else going home?
Oh no. His legs go back and forth. Same for the other arm. Posable wing. Oh, his legs go back and forth. Posable wings. Put them however you want. I choose to put them like this. Bendable swords. Nope. And that's all. Time for transformation. Yeah. Really, I get my toys from. You know where? Huh? Shh. And he, for some reason, oh yeah, flip the chest up, bang, pull his hands in, bang, pull his rib torso thingamabob down, and close up his heel skirts. Turn his thigh around, and then cave his leg in. Like that. And then, and the other one, like that. Other one, like this. And his hands will go like this. Under his wings. He has some really awesome weapon storage. His weapons could be stored under his wings. And I like how they did that, because it really goes in with his colors. It looks like he's been practicing with Drift, the aka Trader, aka used to be a Decepticon, aka changed into Autobot. You'll see him in Transformers 4, which I already saw. That movie was cool though. I'm not going to do a comparison with him with Skywarp this time. Sorry. Because you already know he is bigger than Skywarp. But if you put his wheels now, he is shorter than Skywarp. Slide, split. He could slide. Sorry. He could slide. Go up there. And he has some missile action. Bang. Bang. These are how his missiles look. I'll say they travel about, let's say, from the from the table to the microwave. That's how far they could travel. And see ya.